AposTherapy is a non-surgical way to relieve pain and improve function in your knees and lower back. So how does AposTherapy compare with surgery, painkillers, injections, and physical therapy? Here's how. Similar to surgeries such as knee replacement, AposTherapy has high success rates helping patients function better, but without any of the risks and pain of invasive procedures. Just lace up and go about your life. And similar to painkillers and injections, AposTherapy is clinically proven to relieve pain. In fact, AposTherapy patients decrease their painkiller consumption by a whopping 56%. And similar to a regular physical therapy program, AposTherapy is personally customized to each patient's needs. However, AposTherapy is unique in that it can be done while going about your regular routine, at home or at work. AposTherapy makes it possible to get back to the things you love to do, without surgery, without injections, without painkillers, and without disrupting your daily routine. That's the AposTherapy difference. For more information about AposTherapy, visit AposTherapy.com.